In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collections to Shopify homepage. By the end, you'll have a neatly organized collection of products that's ready to be featured on your storefront, so customers can find what they need faster, and you can showcase your best sellers or seasonal picks. Start in your Shopify admin. From the left sidebar, go to Products, then Open Collections. This is where all your product groups live. To make a new one, click Add Collection. You'll land on a setup page for your collection. Give your collection a clear, descriptive title. Keep it short and purposeful, like Summer Essentials or New Arrivals. A good title helps customers understand what they're about to browse and also makes it easier to find the collection later when you connect it to your homepage. If you have a specific merchandising plan, stick with a naming convention that you can reuse over time. Next, add products to this collection. In the Products section on the page, click Browse. A product picker opens with all the items from your store. Select the products you want to include by clicking on them. You can search by name or use filters to narrow down your list. Think about what belongs together visually and thematically. Cohesive collections look better on the homepage and convert more effectively. When you've made your selections, click Add. You'll see the chosen products appear in the collection's product list. Take a quick moment to review what you've added. Make sure the thumbnails look right and the lineup reflects the goal of the collection, whether that's highlighting best sellers, bundling complementary items, or promoting a limited time range. If something feels out of place, you can remove it before saving. When you're happy with the setup, click Save in the top right. Saving publishes the collection in your store's backend so it becomes available to your theme's homepage sections. If your theme has a featured collection or collection list block, this new collection will now appear as a selectable option there. That means you can later open your theme editor, choose the relevant section, and pick this collection from the drop-down to display it on your homepage. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment to sync. A quick tip for smoother merchandising: keep your collection focused and refresh it periodically. Fewer, well-chosen products usually perform better than an overwhelming grid. Also, consistent titles and images help maintain a polished look across your homepage. And that's it. You've created a collection, populated it with the right products, and saved it so it's ready to be featured on your Shopify homepage.